We can both blend together, look. You go in and I go out.
What is it then, actually, Steve?
It's just a program that...
No, where does it come from?
It was already on the
It's on the
computer.
computer.
Oh, it's already on the
bought it,
computer.
You must be able to get it for your computer. Just type, if you go Cyberlink UCam, it depends if your laptop's got a camera that faces you.
Where's another one?
Oh no, I wouldn't do it on the
Down there,
other
different
one.
ones.
No, it won't do it on mine. It
Just
might
click
do it. It would do it on Jeff's.
One click. That's it. Like getting sucked into a vortex. Sucked into another dimension.
I suppose the nearer you get, the nearer you get.
That's normal. That's a normal. Oh no, God.
Get in close. Get close.
These are going on YouTube. Definitely.
Mad Nana. Nana's mad.
Look at the shoulders. Look at the
Not even taking mind bending drugs.
Have you seen some of the stuff on YouTube?
No, not like this. I haven't.
No. There you go then. See?
Look on my neck. Please. Oh, you changed it on me.
Sorry.
Oh dear.
Butterfly. You look like a butterfly.
Look, can I see this?
If,
Getting nearer.
if you go in there, you can lose your head totally. Move it
Go
one
in
way.
totally.
Oh.
Go
One
left.
eye.
Go left.
Go left.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah. No, you go. That might have a go quiet.
Oh,